Hey, thanks for tuning in. Little high wind today. I've got several new arrivals on the lot. A lot of new inventory, so much that we're just going to walk around the lot. I'm going to show you what's new and see something you like. Want more information on it? All my contact information will be listed below. So let's get started. Take a look at some of these new arrivals that we got. So one of the first ones, and I haven't had a minivan in a while, this is a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. So it's going to have leather, it's going to have the third row, it'll have power doors, I believe it does have the power liftgate as well. Second row buckets. I'm not 100% sure on the mileage. I did park this the other day. I know it's under 100,000, but decent van. I actually own one of these myself. So yeah, there it is. So I actually do have one minivan in stock right now. I did get several nice trucks. So this one here is one that I actually drove this home on my day off and moved some boxes around. It's a 2019 Ram 1500. I believe it's a classic SLT. So it does have the Hemi. It is four-wheel drive. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. I think this one's got like 129,000 miles on it. But, you know, it's a nice, inexpensive quad cab four-wheel drive. It's got a decent amount of equipment. Runs and drives well. Actually, like I said, I drove this my day off yesterday, and I enjoyed it. Drove out really well. No warning lights, did everything I needed for it to do. I'm going to show you another one. This is actually a pretty sharp truck. That is a 2017, I believe, GMC Sierra. Yeah, 2017. Does have the elevation package on it. It is the double cab model, not the crew. You know, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. You do get them black wheels. Pretty decent truck. I think this one's only got like 73 or 76,000 miles, if I believe. But four-wheel drive, everything works good in it. It does have that tow package with the 5.3. It is an automatic. It is double cab, so you do have full four doors. But it's going to be the shorter cab with a little bit longer bed. Going up through the trucks, I'll show you a couple more that kind of new arrivals. I've got several Fords in right now. So I'm going to show you this blue one. I just got this one in a couple days ago. This one is an XL Sport. It does have aftermarket wheels. Aftermarket taillights, I believe 109,000 miles. This is an EcoBoost truck. You can see that done a little bit aftermarket here. It does have dual exhaust. It's got an aftermarket taillight as well. It does have these aftermarket 20-inch wheels. But the interesting thing about this one is under the hood. I should have grabbed the keys for it and showed you. I think I'm going to do a full video on this one. Overall, the truck's in decent shape. I mean, it is used, not perfect, but it does have some nice aftermarket touches. It has an engine intake, so it's got individual intakes for both turbos. It does have hard piping, and also looks like it's got a Mishimoto intercooler. Like I said, I think I'm going to do a full video with this one. 109,000 miles, 2017. That is an XL with the sport package, so pretty sharp looking truck. I do like the blue with the wheels. Looks really good. I've had a couple of these trucks for a while. Here's a 16XL. Crew cab, four-wheel drive. Power windows, locks, tilt cruise. This one just come in. It is an EcoBoost truck. Does have that FX4 off-road package. Does have these nice looking aftermarket wheels. But good looking truck. This one just come in. I'm going to show you some of my cars that I just got. So this one here, I had a white Camaro up here. It didn't last very long. 2016 Dodge Charger. You gotta excuse the wind. It's kind of blowing my equipment around a little bit. 2016 Dodge Charger. I think this thing's only got like 67,000 miles. V6 automatic. Power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, power seat. Just your basic V6 cloth automatic car, but it's in really good shape. Drives really well. I haven't driven it yet, but seems like when I started, moved it around a lot. Yeah, he's getting it. But when I started this and moved it around a lot, it seemed like it was in really good shape. Then I also just got in this. This is a 2021 Chevy Malibu. It's an LT, so power windows, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Just got here. It's only got like 49,000 miles on it. Overall, car's in really good shape. It does have the fog lights, alloy wheels. It is already tinted. So power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, all that good stuff. Cadillac. I'm surprised nobody scooped this thing up. 49,000 miles. This is a 2020. Like new condition. Runs, drives great. Everything works. Does have Apple CarPlay. Heated ventilated seats. Massaging seats. And I can even show you how they work. Come pick it up. This one is an Outlander Sport, so it does have the appearance package with the black wheels up here. I'm going to take a little walk around. ...2021, I think this thing's got like 80-some thousand miles on it. But it does have the bigger screen. We'll have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power everything. Runs and drives great. It's Mitsubishi. They actually run well. I drove this up. I like the way it drove. Kind of saved the best for last. I haven't had one of these either since I've been up here. And this one is actually in really good shape. You can probably see it as we're walking up. I've got an Escalade up here. I believe this is a 2013, 93,000 miles. You can see it's got a aftermarket set of black wheels. It does have tinted windows. I think 93 or 97,000 miles on this one. It is nice. Again, 2013. Does have the black wheels. Tires look to be in really good shape. I think 93,000 miles. It is going to have the second row buckets in it as well. Good miles, low miles for 2013. And it's an Escalade. I mean, take a look at it. It is it's a pretty good looking ride. I like the color combo, especially the tinted windows with the black wheels. But I haven't had anything like this in a little bit, so just want to kind of give you a peek, let you take a look at some of my fresh arrivals. Some of these I've had less than a couple days. Hey, thanks for taking the time to check out our fresh inventory. This is stuff I've got in the last 7 days, basically. Got a new influx of fresh faces, some really nice pieces as well. Thanks for taking time to watch the video. I'm going to put a link down in the description to our full inventory and our phone number here at the dealership. We finance just about everybody. We have guaranteed credit approval here, as well as have no problem accepting your cold, hard cash. So if you see something you like, send me a message, give me a call. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and hope to see you again in the next one.